Hey everybody, it's Mr. Regner, and I've got a quick little review here for this particular activity. So we should already be familiar with the four terms that you're seeing on the screen: term, factor, sum, and coefficient. Just to run through them very quickly. Term is a part of an expression that's separated by a plus or a minus sign. And you can see a plus and a minus sign in the word term if you look at it very closely. A factor is going to be a number that is multiplied by another number. So in other words, it's part of a multiplication problem. A sum, similar to a part of an addition problem. So it's a number that's being added with another number. And then finally, a coefficient is going to be the number in front of a variable. A lot of times we say in front of. Sometimes though, remember, a variable doesn't necessarily have to be just that letter. It could be maybe something that you might find in parentheses as just a crazy example that I'm sure won't even affect this particular problem. So as you go through and you look at the expression 1/2 times x plus d minus 4e, think about which one of those things would be a term, which ones would be a factor, which would be a sum, which would be a coefficient. All right, and just as a little hint for you, all right, just a little tip. If something is a factor, if you're multiplying something by another thing, it could be a coefficient as long as that coefficient is a variable, or maybe could be a variable like something in parentheses. So every coefficient is going to be a factor. However, not every factor is going to be a coefficient. Little difference there. Sums are pretty easy. You're usually looking for plus signs. And then remember, terms, you're looking for parts of the expression separated by not division, not multiplication, but only plus and minus signs. All right, so take a look at this activity. See if you can find all of the terms, all the factors, all the sums, all the coefficients that are listed here, and then we'll get a chance to see the correct answers coming up next.